Do you really need to spend hundreds of dollars to start gardening? The answer is no. Today, I'm sharing affordable garden tools that actually work, so you can save money without sacrificing results. One of the biggest mistakes new gardeners make is buying every tool they see. The truth is, you only need a handful of reliable tools to grow healthy flowers, herbs, and vegetables. Let's look at the inexpensive tools that deserve a place in every beginner's garden. Tool number 1, hand trowel. A hand trowel is probably the most used tool in any garden. You'll use it for planting seedlings, transplanting flowers, adding soil to containers, and digging small holes. Look for one with a comfortable grip and a sturdy metal blade. You don't need the most expensive one. You just need one that feels good in your hand. A quality pair of pruning shears makes gardening easier and healthier for your plants. Use them to harvest vegetables, trim herbs, remove dead branches, and shape your plants. Clean the blades after each use, and they'll last for years. Tool number 3, watering can or hose wand. Young plants don't like powerful streams of water. A watering can with a gentle shower head or a watering wand gives your plants the moisture they need without washing away soil or damaging delicate stems. Consistent watering is much more important than buying expensive irrigation systems. Tool number 4, 5-gallon bucket. This might be the most versatile tool in your entire garden. A simple 5-gallon bucket can become a planter, compost carrier, harvest basket, or soil mixer. Many gardeners grow peppers, potatoes, tomatoes, and cucumbers right inside buckets. Sometimes the cheapest tool is also the most useful. Garden gloves protect your hands from splinters, thorns, rough soil, and blisters. Choose gloves that fit well and allow you to grip tools comfortably. A good pair doesn't have to be expensive. It just needs to be durable. A simple tape measure helps prevent overcrowding. Proper spacing improves airflow, reduces disease, and gives plants room to grow. It's one of the most overlooked but valuable tools for beginners. Not every tool needs a premium price tag. Check discount stores, end-of-season sales, thrift shops, garage sales, and local garden centers. Spend money where quality matters, like pruning shears, and save on simple items like buckets, gloves, and watering cans. Building your garden one tool at a time is often smarter than buying expensive starter kits.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.
Remember, successful gardens aren't built with expensive tools. They're built with patience, consistency, and learning as you grow. Start with the basics. Use them often. Add more tools only when your garden truly needs them. You don't need a huge budget to build a beautiful garden. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Soil to Harvest for more beginner-friendly gardening tips, DIY projects, and budget gardening ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next garden project.